Welcome to IBM Cloud Shell. Image version 1.0.406. Note, your Cloud Shell session is running in Dallas, South. Your workspace includes 500 megabytes of temporary storage. This session will close after an hour of inactivity. If you don't have any active sessions for an hour or you reach the 50-hour weekly usage limit, your workspace data is removed. To track your usage, go to Usage Quota in the Cloud Shell menu. Tip, enter IBM Cloud to use the IBM Cloud CLI. The Dallas, South region is targeted by default. You can switch the region by running IBM Cloud target, our region name. Assist. I installed the Qiskit SDK and then my session disconnected and I would like to know if I have to reinstall Qiskit. Sending request to the AI assistant. No, you don't need to reinstall Qiskit. If your session disconnected, it's likely due to a temporary issue with your connection to IBM Cloud. You can try reconnecting by running the following command in your terminal, IBM Cloud login. If you're still experiencing issues, you might want to check your IBM Cloud API key and CRN, ensuring they're correct and haven't expired. After confirming your credentials, try running your Qiskit commands again. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to IBM support for further assistance. Sending request to the AI assistant. Cloud's help $IBM Cloud Assist. I hope curl FSSL https://olama.com/install.shs. Sending request to the AI assistant. The command you provided is not related to IBM Cloud CLI. It appears to be an attempt to install Olama, which is a language model, not a tool for managing IBM Cloud resources. The correct command for installing IBM Cloud CLI is, for Linux, curl FSSL https://clis.cloud.ibm.com/install/linux sh. For macOS, curl FSSL https://clis.cloud.ibm.com/install/osxsh. For Windows, IX, new, object.net.web client. Download string, https://clis.cloud.ibm.com/install/PowerShell. Please ensure you're using the correct command for your operating system. Cloud's help $curl FSSL https://olama.com/install.shsh. Error. This script requires super user permissions. Please rerun as root. IBM Cloud Assist is the sudo command available in IBM Cloud Shell. Sending request to the AI assistant. The sudo command is not directly related to the IBM Cloud CLI, IBM Cloud. The sudo command is a Unix command that allows users to run programs with the security privileges of another user, by default, the super user. It is not a part of the IBM Cloud CLI commands or functionalities. Therefore, the sudo command is not available within the IBM Cloud Shell. Cloud's help $IBM Cloud Assist. How do I install Olama on IBM Cloud Shell? Sending request to the AI assistant. I'm sorry for the confusion, but the IBM Cloud CLI is a tool for managing IBM Cloud resources and services, not for installing specific applications like Olama. Olama is a language model developed by LLM, and it's not directly related to IBM Cloud. To install Olama, you would typically follow the instructions provided by LLM, which usually involve cloning a repository from GitHub and setting up a Python environment. Cloud's help $IBM Cloud Assist. You are the IBM Cloud Shell assistant. Does IBM Cloud Shell have a dynamic AI ML model studio workflow? Sending request to the AI assistant. I'm sorry for any confusion, but the IBM Cloud CLI does not have a built-in dynamic AI or ML model studio workflow. The IBM Cloud CLI is a command line interface for managing IBM Cloud services and resources, and it does not include features for developing, training, or deploying machine learning models. However, IBM Cloud does provide various services for AI and machine learning, such as Watson Studio, Watson Machine Learning, and Watson OpenScale, which can be accessed and managed through the IBM Cloud CLI. Cloud's help $IBM Cloud Assist. Build a swelling IBM Cloud Shell CLI workflow for accessing and managing Watson Studio. Sending request to the AI assistant. To build a comprehensive IBM Cloud Shell CLI workflow for accessing and managing Watson Studio, follow these steps. 1. Install and configure IBM Cloud CLI. Begin by installing the IBM Cloud CLI on your local machine. After installation, log into your IBM Cloud account using the IBM Cloud login command. 2. Set up Watson Studio service. Install the Watson Studio CLI plugin using the IBM Cloud plugin install Watson Studio command. Configure the Watson Studio service by setting the CRN environment variable or using the instance ID flag in each subcommand. 3. Connect data sources. Utilize the IBM Cloud CLI to connect data sources to the Watson Studio service using the IBM Cloud Watson Studio data source connections command. 4. Create and manage projects. Leverage the IBM Cloud CLI to create, list, and manage projects in Watson Studio. Use commands such as IBM Cloud Watson Studio Project Create, IBM Cloud Watson Studio Project List, and IBM Cloud Watson Studio Project Delete. 5. Deploy models. Within Watson Studio, deploy models as web services using the IBM Cloud CLI. Navigate to the deployment space, create a new deployment, and select the desired deployment type. Once deployed, test the model using the JSON input icon and predict button. 6. Expose models as APIs. Expose deployed models as APIs to be accessed from applications. Obtain the public endpoint from the API reference tab and export it as an environment variable for subsequent requests. 7. Manage resources. Utilize the IBM Cloud CLI to manage resources, such as creating, listing, and deleting instances, services, and other resources in Watson Studio. 8. Stay updated. Regularly check for updates to the IBM Cloud CLI and its plugins using the IBM Cloud plugin list command. Keep your CLI up to date to ensure access to the latest commands and features. By following this workflow, you can efficiently access and manage Watson Studio using the IBM Cloud Shell CLI. Cloud's help $. It works.